Hey y'all, so today I want to discuss how to make $100 a day selling digital products in 2025. If this is your first time here, I am Tiara and I am here to teach you how to start your business in digital products. Digital products is one of the easiest ways to get started with a business. You don't need a lot of overhead costs because only thing you need will be a stand store, or you can use a free platform like Gumroad or PayHip to begin, and everything else is simply profits. So when it comes to selling digital products, you first have to know what niche you are going to be in. You have to have a specific target audience that you are going to reach. It is a new year, and because it is a new year, people are making new year resolution goals. People are trying to stay focused, and people are trying to get their lives in order. Because of this, I believe and I know that people are looking for ways to save money. They are looking for ways to start their new year's off with resolutions. They're looking for ways to get into the manifestation and do all of these things. So that means people are buying things like this. Here I am. I got one right here. I got another one right here. And I also have another one right here. So people are buying things that are going to help them to get on track, to stay on track, and to make sure that they are executing their goals. This is where you are going to come in. Now, in order for you to make $100 a day, you first have to know who it is that you are targeting. Once you have reached that and you know exactly who it is that you are talking to, the next thing you want to do is consistently make content to reach your target audience. Now, I have started promoting on Instagram for my New Year's resolution, and I want you guys to tap in, and I want you to accept this 90-day challenge that I am doing here on my YouTube channel, and I want you guys to go ahead and start your Instagram page. And if you have not already done so, start a YouTube content page as well. Now, I know you are thinking, Tiara, I do not want to show my face. What other ways can I do this challenge without me having to show my face? And I want you to know that you do not have to show up on camera the same way that I choose to do it, but you can also use faceless content. Now, faceless content is going to be you posting different videos that are not going to show your face, but you're going to put words on there as well. Now, with my new Instagram page that I just started for this challenge, I'm using photos or pictures and clips of myself, and then I'm going to have words on my screen. I'll show you guys right here a little snippet of a video that I have recently just posted on Instagram. So this is just an idea of what you can do. If you choose to do it the method that I am using, you're going to show little small clips. It don't have to just be of you. It can just be of the sky. Like literally, you can post any kind of video showing something, and you're going to put words on there. You're not going to do any verbal speaking as I'm doing right here on camera. You're going to just go on there, post a snippet of yourself, post a snippet of something else that you may be looking at, and then you're going to have words that's going to talk about specifically what niche you choose. Now, if you do not have time to come up with a lot of content and you cannot afford to do batch recording because of your busy schedule, you can also purchase my bundle that I have of 1,600 faceless aesthetic videos so that you can begin this challenge. I have dropped my prices down to only $47, and if you need a payment plan, you can use Klarna or Afterpay at checkout. So I do have that link down below in the description as well as pinned in the comments of this video. But I want you guys to tap in, and I want you to accept this challenge because we are in a new year and we are not going out this year the same way we came in, okay? I know you guys have been focused. I know that you have seen a lot of people making money from digital products, and I want you to begin manifesting this money as well, because you are deserving of this money. But you have to put in consistent actions behind your plan. You cannot just say, I'm going to start a digital product business, and then you do not come up with a consistent plan. In order to make money in any business, you have to make sure that you have a plan. So I want you to accept this challenge. And now the third step is going to be to post your content consistently for the next 90 days. Now, if you need help with coming up with hooks or different things for you to talk about around your specific niche, what you're going to do is go onto ChatGPT, and I'm also going to post a video right here showing you the prompt to use specifically. And now I did have to pause this video, and I had to put this little short clip in because it was taking ChatGPT a little minute because I had made the prompt very long. Now with this prompt, I want you guys to know that prompt has to be tailored directly to what niche or industry that you are currently going in. I'm just showing you guys an example of how detailed you have to be and can be with ChatGPT so that they can give you content for the next 90 days. So I did want to put this little clip in here so that you can see exactly how to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to let it play for a little minute so that you can see exactly how ChatGPT can help you and what it will give you once you do use this prompt. And the prompt does not have to be exactly what I put in, but you want to make sure that it is very detailed and specific on what you want your content calendar to be for the next 90 days. So go ahead and watch exactly how that is done, and let's finish this video. You're going to take this prompt and you're going to add in whatever your niche is, and it's going to give you a detailed step-by-step plan of what to say, what to do, and what to post within the next 90 days on your new Instagram page or on your new YouTube channel. Now I do have both currently. I already had a YouTube channel previously, but I told myself, you know what, I'm gonna also go ahead and tap into Instagram because I do have the time to start a new account on Instagram so that I can focus in on this 90-day journey. So I want you to start a new Instagram page if you do not already have one specifically for your business. Do not start using your personal Instagram that you have. Use a new account as well as a YouTube channel if you do not have one. Now when it comes to YouTube, if you need me to break this down more specifically for you, I can. With YouTube, you can start a faceless account by just posting shorts so that you can drive traction. But if you are comfortable, or if you feel like you are someone who's big on talking, please start you a YouTube channel and give out valuable information the same way that I am doing, showing your face, so that you can build a community around your specific niche. Because it is an evergreen platform, you can make money years from now from your videos as well as drive traffic to your business. So with YouTube, you are able to monetize your channel multiple ways to make multiple streams of income. So I highly suggest for you to do this 90-day challenge with Instagram, posting 3 shorts per day. 3 shorts, yes, I know it sounds like a lot, but if you have time and if you know that you are off on Sundays, you want to batch record. So if you're going to accept this challenge and you're going to post 3 times a day on Instagram, that means that you need 21 videos for the entire week. So what you're going to do is on your off day, you want to record 21 shorts. Now, the thing about Instagram is you can literally post a 5-second video, you guys. It does not have to be a 15-minute video. These are going to be short reels. So because this is short reels, that means that you can literally be sitting right here like I am on camera doing this, and you can add words over the screen of this video. It does not have to be rocket science. And again, if you do not have time to do this, just go ahead and spend $47 and get the 1600 reel bundle that I have that is already done for you. The only thing you would need to do is write the words on your video of what it is that you are talking about. You want to give out valuable information, and you want to make sure that you are educating and entertaining your target audience. So if you decided that you wanted to purchase this bundle deal with the 1600 faceless reels, you guys, that's gonna be 76 weeks of content for yourself, because you're gonna post 3 videos per day. That's gonna give you 21 videos of needing for the week. So 76 weeks of content, you guys, for $47. This is a no-brainer. If you are looking to make money, you have to be willing to invest in yourself. So if you're someone who knows that you are ready to start making money within digital products and you don't have the time, this is going to be the best thing for you to do. Now, when it comes to making $100 a day, I highly recommend that you come up with a digital product that's going to be bundled together. What I have seen work for me is by me creating bundle deals that has enough valuable information and gives quality content so that my audience can receive it and they can love it and they can jump on it. And guess what? You can price it for $50, and that means that you only need 2 sales per day in order for you to make $100 a day. Now, if you are saying that you do not have time to come up with an ebook, or if you don't have time to come up with a course, you can also check out different bundles that I have available down below in the description of this video as well, which are going to be money saving bundles, and that's going to give you a few things to sell as a bundle so that people can start their budgeting and they can have a money tracker as well as a savings plan. This is all included for only $25. If you do not want to go into the money savings niche, you can also choose the manifestation bundle that I have, and that's going to include different things for you to begin making your affirmations every day and for you to have a life that you are ready to have. You can also get that down below for $25. But if you want to do what I am doing, which is be someone who sell what is needed to people who are wanting to start a digital product business, you can purchase literally anything that I sell and you can resell it. You're able to use those 1600 faceless reels that I have. You're able to use the money savings bundle that I have. You're able to use the manifestation bundle that I have. Anything that you see that is on my website, you guys, you are able to purchase these things and resell it yourself. So if you want to be someone who talks about digital products and you want to be someone who sells the digital products and you don't have a specific niche that you would like to create content around, you can start a business model copying me, doing exactly what I'm doing, which is going to be educating people on digital products and educating them around the different products that you are offering as PLR, which is going to be private label rights. This is going to be something that someone can purchase from you and then they can resell it or they can reuse it. So with this bundle, this means that you're able to continue to make sales, continue to help other people. And as you begin to make sales, you can create your own ebooks, you can create your own courses, and you can also provide information where you are being a PLR distributor to those who are needing content to sell. Now, if you know that you have a passion for something and you know that you can talk about something on a specific topic every single day for the next 90 days, then you do not have to do it this method. But what you want to do is find a PLR, which I have a website also listed down below with over 800 different ebooks that you can choose from. And what you want to do is find a ebook that's going to be based around your specific niche. So if you know that in the next 90 days, you are going to be dedicated to going to the gym, to eating healthy, and to get your life in order, you can go on my website and you can purchase a ebook around fitness, around different foods. Like, you guys, I have so many different ebooks and different digital products for you so that you don't have to wait weeks or wait months trying to find something to sell. You want to get this done as soon as possible. And if you are saying, you know what, I'm going to take the next 90 days and I'm going to accept this challenge, you need to make sure that you have something to sell, because 90 days is a long time. And because of this, that means that if you stay consistent, you are going to see sales. I know, because within my first week of selling digital products, you guys, I started seeing sales and I got a lot of traction on my website. So if you decide that you want to tap in and you are serious about your life in 2025, make sure you check out my websites below so that you can have something in your bio to sell. Now, when it comes to where you're going to sell these different ebooks or these different reels, the best way to get started is going to be with Stan Store. And with Stan Store, they do give you a 14-day free trial, and then after the 14 days, it will cost you $29 a month. But you guys, if you're selling a bundle for $50, that is going to cover, one purchase is going to cover exactly what you need for your website. But if you're saying, okay, I don't have $29, you can start off with using Gumroad, or you can use PayHip, because both of these platforms are free to use, but they do charge you a fee for the transactions. You can also check out both of those websites if you're wanting to go the route of free so that you don't have to spend a monthly fee. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you are going to accept this challenge. I am rooting for you. Happy New Year to you and your family, and I cannot wait to see what the Lord does in our life within 2025. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you back here on my next video. Bye.